We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. We remove the NFC antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. Let's disconnect all the connectors. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Lift gently the device motherboard. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. Now it's time to check if the device works properly.